Dear students, in this small tutorial I'm going to explain about how you are going to assign the IP addresses to any network or any medium or big network. Let's take an example of a Tasmania. If we need to make 300,000 IP addresses, so it means that if we initially have to see, we know that in 2 power 32, 4.29 times 10 power 9 number of IP addresses are available, but we need only 300,000 addresses. In our question, it is also mentioned that we also have 20% additional to that as well. So it means altogether our IP addresses allocation should not be more than 360,000 addresses. 360,000 addresses is the maximum limit of our IP addresses. So what we need to do is, there are multiple ways to do it. One is like you need to put it in the form of 2 power x and write it down there 360000, and then trying to find out that number of bits which gives you that answer. On the other hand, there is another way where we can do is like just hit and trial. Like we know that 2 power 10 is 1024, 2 power 20 is 1048,576, which is much bigger than this value. 2 power 12 is 4096, which is smaller than this value. 2 power 18 is the value, if we calculate, that is 262,144, and 2 power 19 is 524,288. So now the problem is that in between 2 power 18 and 2 power 19, like as we just jump to 2 power 19, it shifts to too much big value and it's more than 360k, so we have to make it less. So 2 power 18 we will take it right now as a moment. So we know that out of that 262,144, if I put it here, out of that 360k and minus is 262,144, I get 97856 2 power x. I will take it again by using the log formula, so it means that 16.57. So we know that there is no decimal points in the IP addresses. We have to make it 17 to get that value. But when we get 2 power 17, that is 131072, and you know that 131072 plus 262,144. Now again the problem comes, it makes it 393216, which is much bigger than 360000. So therefore we have to cross that option. Let's take a new combination which gives us less than 360,000 numbers, IP addresses. So what we are doing now is we already have calculated 2 power 18, which is 262,144. Why not we should take another IP addresses class separately, which is 2 power 16, which is giving me 65536 IP addresses. So altogether if I add them, so it means 327680 IP addresses are there, which is basically in our range, and now it's perfect because it's less than 360000. So this is a perfect example. Like we can take these two as a combination. So this is one of the combination. You can make as much as combinations. So now what we need to do is, as I have chosen those two combinations, 2 power 18 and 2 power 16, so we know that 2 power 32 is the total number of IP addresses. We have to minus it. You know about subnetting mask, you already have done a lot of time in your class as well. So 2 power 14, it means we need to make 14 ones and the rest of zeros. So if we convert it into decimal, that would be 255.252.00. and now for the second one, that's 2 power 16. If we do it, that's simply, again, if we know subnetting mask, that's maximum subnetting mask is 255.25.00. So our chosen IP addresses should be, so this is any number of IP addresses you can choose, but their subnet mask would be 14 for one and subnet mask for the other one be 16. So if you go to your that link which we already provided in your assignment, so these are the only 3 reserved one. This is the blue one highlighted there, and then here on the yellow ones, 2 yellow ones, these ones, and the last one. Apart from that, you can use any IP addresses to assign the network to solve your problem. I hopefully think that you understand this small tutorial on the how to assign IP addresses. The rest choice is yours. You can choose any IP addresses apart from those reserved classes. And thank you very much for looking to this video. Bye.